Welcome to our guide on fixing the issue of Gmail not downloading files on your PC. If you're facing challenges with downloading attachments, don't worry, we have a straightforward solution for you. Let's dive into the steps you can take to resolve this problem. First, refresh the Gmail web page. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve minor glitches. Just click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action will reload the page and might fix any temporary issues. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for downloading files. To do this, go to the notifications area on your PC and click on the network icon. Ensure that you are connected to a reliable network. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, consider restarting your router. If refreshing and checking your connection doesn't work, try closing the browser and reopening it. This can help clear any session-related problems that might be preventing downloads. Sometimes, restarting your device can help as well. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. Select Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. This process can clear up any lingering issues affecting your downloads. If you're still unable to download files after trying these steps, consider asking the sender to resend the file. There may be an issue with the original file that prevents it from being downloaded correctly. By following these simple steps, refreshing Gmail, checking your internet connection, restarting your browser and device, and possibly asking for a resend, you should be able to resolve any issues with downloading files from Gmail on your PC. Thank you for watching our video. We hope these tips help you get back to downloading your important files smoothly.